Hi everyone, so this is my JYJ unboxing for their Thanksgiving Live and Dome photobook. This is a DVD that they have, and I think you guys know they have their live CD. So this is the live CD that they do have, and yeah, this is right after the split, so they were still Junsu, Jejong, Jichon. They still hadn't put JYJ as their name. So yeah, it has that crease. I got this one for Christmas, and this is what I bought myself. It wasn't that badly priced, so I went ahead and got it. So this is mostly just backstage pictures for their concert. Oh my god, the smell is so bad, guys. You have no idea. What is... what the hell are they doing? I saw this once when I got it. Like, I got home on Christmas Eve. Yeah, it was Christmas Eve. So I was at work, and after work I went to my sister's, so I didn't come home. And yeah, oh no, it wasn't Christmas Eve. Was it? No, I think it was New Year's Eve. But yeah, I got this in the mail. Like, I don't know, like, I feel like it's leaving ink in my fingers. The paper is just so weird. I like their suits. Now look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm so mad. I feel like if they had stayed in Japan, like, promoted in Japan, I don't... Why, Avix? Why? I don't know. I'm just gonna shut up. Like, even nowadays, when they go to Japan, they fill up those stadiums. So it's like, their fandom in Japan is still there. Oh, look at that. Ew, Jichon, your armpit. I wonder if that was colors. Why is Jejong not wearing his suit? What? So them on the stage, but you can't really see them anyway. Whoa. Junsu, Jichon. I saw Jichon, so I started saying, oh. Oh, Jejong. Somebody's back. I forgot about these. I didn't bend it. So this flips open. Yeah. It's like that. I forgot about these. I didn't remember, and I didn't even know because there's no unboxing of this, so when I saw those, I was surprised. Ha ha ha. Junsu, probably his intoxication stage. Oh, they look so good there. JYJ, JYJ, they have so many DVDs and so many overpriced DVDs that it's just hard getting their collection. It's hard getting things from JYJ because they're so expensive. So yeah, I probably will be getting the making not making the Thanksgiving Live in Dome DVD soon. So this is like a bunch of stage sketches, like their timeline, I guess, which is kind of cool. So I think that's beneath the stage, and their backup dancers probably. I'll be laughing at myself that they're not backup dancers. And all the credits for the people organizing the tour, and the track list to their, or the set list, yeah. Tokyo Dome. Who knows? So here, they're practicing. Oh my god, JYJ looks so good. This is a bad picture to glare on. Why did they put you there? Oh my gosh, JYJ looks so pretty. Sorry. I don't, what were they doing? I really like this, it's kind of cool. It's like 4 frames of the, like, art is an actual picture. Here's the 2 frames. Here's the other 4 frame for Jinsu. But yeah, it's kind of like a collage. Here's the backstage picture from them all. Yeah. Oh. Did they write, like, fans write on it? Probably. So cool. JYJ. Sorry that it keeps closing, guys. Oh, these are cute. The paper is thick. It's not bad, but the texture of it is just weird, and it smells a lot. Look at that, guys. That is the red ocean right there. Man, that looks beautiful. JYJ looks hella good there. Uh-oh. JYJ. I can't. What? Yeah. I know. A lot of people on that stage. JYJ, so I'm guessing this is JYJ's picture. Oh, yeah. Whoa. So yeah, oh, these are gorgeous pictures. I like Shun with his long hair, so yeah. I remember, I think it was in the Melodic concert that JYJ gave a flower to one of the fangirls in the crowd. Oh, he's so handsome. Hella red. Ah, yay, we got to my favorite part. And I think, I don't remember, but I feel like I didn't like this picture a lot. Oh, and now I remember, he looks like some other member from some other group. Yeah. JYJ. Oh god, no. His hair, what the hell? This is the most unconventional unboxing, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, I love this picture. The confetti after the last stage. This is the cover to the DVD. To the normal edition DVD. Junsu looks good there. See, I hate when they put somebody in the middle and it just happens to be JYJ. And then this is the part that confused me, not this, but here's the last picture for them all. This is like weird to me. So as you can see here, it's not glued all the way. It's probably easier on this side. Yeah, you can see that it lifts up. Why would they do that? I feel like ripping it open, like taking it off. I don't know. I like it. I don't know if it's random or whatever, but I'm pretty sure all the photobooks have that on the back. Yeah. I should look into it though. It's so cool though. I just wish that we could take it off. Anyway, this is my unboxing. I hate how it's put together, but oh well. And it comes with this sticker. Original price 3,500 yen. And the back, which reminds me of the Biggie's exclusive stickers, so I don't know. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Thank you.